Well, it's time now to talk with the Mortgage Minute guy, Roger Schlesinger, about all things mortgages. And Roger, always good to see you.
Good to see you, Don.
Now, you made a very profound statement before we went on the air today. You said there are 12 days left to lock a loan. There's also about 12 days left or so for the election. And they don't happen to be intertwined.
Yeah, unfortunately they do, or fortunately they do. Yes, I firmly believe that after the election, the bond market will be moving, but the mortgage market will be moving quicker. And if you believe that Romney's going to win, it's because they're going to start seeing that there's prosperity down the road, and they're going to start getting rid of some of this really ridiculously low interest rates and start moving them up. If you believe Barack Obama is going to win, then we have to worry about what the EPA is going to start doing, because I'm hearing a lot of things that they have planned for the EPA to do, which is going to force gas prices higher, which is a tax on society, and will slow down everything. Now, rates won't be jumping, but it will be very, very difficult to get a loan at that time, because the banks are already wincing at the fact that they can't make any money at these rates. And also, more and more people will be getting laid off. With the threat of more unemployment, I believe that you're going to see a very, very difficult mortgage market, and it can't get more difficult, but I've said that before, and it does get more difficult.
Well, you've been at this business for a long, long time, so you've seen boom, bust, and everything in the middle. But it's kind of interesting that you say no matter who wins, there's going to be difficulties, just different kinds of difficulties. Although, of course, it all comes to the end according to the Mayan calendar. December 21st doesn't really matter. But you're really encouraging people to act quickly and, more importantly, now. Now.
Yeah, in fact, I talked to my office this morning as I was driving over, and I said, anything that is not locked, I want it locked today.
Okay.
And I don't expect things to leap through the roof, but our highest rate for a conforming loan now is 3 3/8, and our lowest rate for a fixed conforming rate is 2 3/4. It's not going to get better than this.
No.
And to take the risk that it's 3 3/4 or 3 7/8, and the lowest rate is 3 3/8, why give a half a point away when you can lock it right now? And you should do it. It's just not worth the risk.
If people want to lock right now and they want that advice, they want to get a hold of the Mortgage Minute guy, and I highly recommend that. How do they get a hold of you?
You can call us at 866-288-0088, or you can go to mortgageminuteguy.com and fill out our little 3-question application. We'll get right back to you. We work round the clock, and we work weekends as well, and we will not be taking any time off between now and the election.
The Mortgage Minute Guy, their website is mortgageminuteguy.com. Roger, thanks so much. Very insightful.
Thank you, Don.